Going to start a new series on CPR. So as we all know, it's a very important for a layman even to know and understand how CPR has how CPR is given. Even a basic life support should be training on a basic life support should be given to a layman as well. So we are today, without wasting time, let's start the CPR. So before giving CPR to any person, we make sure the person requires CPR or not. So what are the criteria? So any person. If you found any person unconscious on a roadside, on a bank side, or airport, railway station, school, any place, if you find anyone unconscious, sudden fall, and you go, what you have to do, there are 5 basic steps which you have to do before addressing the patient. So the first thing is the scene safety. Scene safety is very important. Why did I say scene safety is important? Because suppose that guy, he was an electrician and he was doing something electric work and he got electric shock. So if you do not maintain the scene safety, you go to rescue that person. In order to rescue that guy, you may end up to endangering your life. So the first step is the scene safety is always important. You make sure scene is safe. Second, check for the response. After theory part, we will go for the video demonstration. I'll tell you. So first is scene safety. Second is check for response, patient responsive or not. Third is call for help. You should always make sure you call for help to nearby person so that you will get more hand in order to save that person's life. The fourth is activate emergency system. Call 908 or 102 by yourself or from that person who you are asking for the help. And the fourth, check for the pulse and the respiration. That should not take more than 10 seconds. And if you don't find pulse or respiration, person is unconscious, you can start the CPR. For the CPR in adult, you should give a 30 chest compression followed by 2 rescue breath. And in children, if one rescuer is there, you should give 30 chest compression followed by 2 rescue breath. Or if there are 2 rescuers, you can give 50:1. And in the infant, it's totally opposite. 3 chest compression followed by 2 rescue breath. CPR is always all about push hard and push forward. What do I mean by push hard? Push hard means you should give enough pressure in the CPR so that you achieve a 5 cm of depth. And push fast means the frequency of chest compression should be 100 to 120 per CPR per minute. Dr. Rohit this side again. So now we are going to demonstrate how to assist or how to handle a unconscious patient. Okay. So we have one unconscious patient here. So let me make the scene secure. So we have to make him lie down on a flat surface, and I'll check for response. Hello, sir. Sir, he is unresponsive. Can anyone help?
Yes, sir, I can.
Come. Please activate the emergency system.
Yes.
So meanwhile, I'll check the pulse. Pulse should be on the carotid. We check the carotid pulse. Yeah, I don't have pulse. He's breathing. No, I can't see any breathing. So I'm starting the CPR. So for CPR, on the lower 1/3 of sternum, one hand, and put other hand palm on the palm of the other hand, interlock, and 30:2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Make sure your elbow do not bend. You should apply a power from your shoulder. Now we will open the airway. We will do chin, tail, jaw, lift, head till chin lift. Okay, and then if not open, then jaw thrust. And we'll give 2 rescue breaths from mouth to mouth. We blow, close the nostril, open the mouth, and blow one air till the chest will not rise. Once done, you will take care of the airway. I'll start the CPR. We will give the CPR. Continue giving the CPR, and should be proper depth should be there till the emergency services will not arrive. Okay, give 2 breath. 2 breath. Okay. Then again we have to attend the CPR. We should not discontinue the CPR. We should not discontinue CPR. And every 2 minutes, we have to again check the pulse and respiration and change the rescue. Okay, I will get tired, so I'll give my assistant to give him CPR. Okay. Slow. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
टेस्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, ये हो गया इसका. हाँ, So we are going to demonstrate another video with an unresponsive patient but having pulse intact but no respiration. And in the subsequent video, patient having pulse and respiration both, and how to assist those situations. Okay, continue. So we found a patient who was unresponsive. So firstly, scene safety was there. We have laid down the patient on a flat surface. So now I will check for response. Hello sir, are you okay? He is not responsive, so I will call for help. Is there anyone who can help me?
जी सर आई कैन
Okay, come please. Call for the ambulance. I'll make sure ambulance are there, and now I'll check for the pulse. For pulse, I have told you how to check the pulse. In the central, we can go lateral, check. Yes, I have pulse, but patient is unresponsive. Breathing, yeah, I can see the patient is in breathing condition. Patient is just unresponsive. So what I will do, I'll put the patient on recovery position. What is the recovery position? Patient already on the flat surface lying. I'll just turn the patient. I'll just turn patient on the left side, left lateral side. I'll turn the patient left lateral side, till the ambulance will arrive. I have to go this side again. We have a patient who is unresponsive. Firstly, I'll secure the scene. Scene has been secured. I'll check for response. Hello sir, hi sir, are you okay? Are you there? He is unresponsive. He is not responding. So firstly, I'll tap on the shoulder for response, or gently I'll shake. Sir, are you okay? He is not responding. Again, I will ask for the help. Is there anyone who can help me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so please call the ambulance. I'll make sure emergency service has been activated. Second, I'll check for the response. I'll check for the pulse. Patient pulse is there, but I don't see any breathing or any chest rise. So in this situation, when patient is unresponsive and pulse is there but no respiration, then I will simply try to open the airway. The method I have told you: head tilt, chin lift, or jaw thrust maneuver. By opening, I'll simply give him mouth to mouth breathing. I just simply assist him for the airway till the ambulance arrives.